hope you all enjoyed yesterday's video. The end was not that great, but then it came as a blessing in disguise. The MLDT Alco, all Deshanpur Ariara Intercity Express. We couldn't capture that run, but then it had to return back to Yeshwanthpur with the same train, which gave us a chance to go outside of Bangalore and capture it. In fact, the initial plan was to capture the Vasco Yeshwanthpur at Ireli, but then since it was a festival day, I had to return back early, so Soldevanalli was the nearest good spot available. And one more good thing is we captured it with an ICF rake. Now we're gonna do it with an LHP rake. That was nice capturing it, and if it was supposed to follow the link cycle of this train, it had to return back again with the same train. So the plan was to head back home, have lunch, and come back again. In fact, the reason for going back is also for a game called Pokemon Go. I feel most of you won't be interested or know about this game. So anyway, after that, it was decided that I'll take Yeshwanthpur Chikmagalur passenger from Yeshwanthpur after checking on the local link of Harrier Express, and we had another twist again. The link was 40 twins, so it was total confusion. Roamed around the station but couldn't find the MLDT Alco. In fact, we also went to the yard wherein it was not there. So our mind started saying that it could have gone to Baipnali yard to bring the Yeshwanthpur Aura rake. And since we had some time in hand, the plan was to take Yeshwanthpur Salem passenger up to Lottegulalli and capture the empty rake of Yeshwanthpur Aura Express coming into Yeshwanthpur. But then double twist happened here. As we were moving out on the Salem passenger after somehow managing to get a ticket. In fact, we ran to the train because we got the ticket just at the scheduled departure time. And when we were going out of the yard, the MLDT loco was there. Not sure how it came there. In fact, it might have been somewhere inside the yard. We couldn't explore it properly. And it was kind of uneasy feeling. I mean, you came for that loco and you almost missed it. And after that, I had a crossing with Aura Duranto.
Okay. Okay. One two zero zero eight ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಕ್ ದುರಂತ ಒಂದು.
After this, we got down at Ebola and came back home once again. Well, it's not a great ending. I guess for 2 days in a row. And we also got to know that in the night, I took out the Shanpur Shumoga Tri-Weekly Express, overnight express. So, with that, it was confirmed that it is really difficult to capture this train in low light. And current status is not known about the loco. So, I guess we enjoyed the Rasagulla for 2 days, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this short video as well. I'll see you on soon.